I'm Dinesh Kumar, Professor of Decision Sciences at the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore.
I am Nitesh Batra, founder of the Mindful Initiative and Ashtanga Yoga Sadhana.
In this video, we'll share the details about the upcoming Mindfulness for Effective Leadership course at IIM Bangalore. In this transformative course, we'll explore the power of mindfulness and its profound impact on leadership effectiveness, decision making, and overall well-being.
As leaders, we often find ourselves in high pressure and stressful environments. We juggle multiple responsibilities and face complex challenges. Your ability as a leader to navigate challenges and inspire your team is essential for success and long-term growth.
During the course, each day will comprise of interactive sessions on mindfulness, empathy, loving kindness, emotional intelligence, building habits, and much more. Throughout the 3 days of course, we will engage in practical techniques that can be incorporated into your daily life to develop mindful leadership skills.
As we go on this journey together, prepare to deepen your self-awareness and harness your emotional intelligence. We will try and empower you to create a mindful ecosystem and thriving workplace that will unlock your full leadership potential through mindfulness.
Get ready to lead from within.